Saved by a whisker. A close call explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as intriguing as it sounds, saved by a whisker. This idiom paints a vivid picture of narrow escapes and close calls. If you've ever wondered about its origins, meaning, and how to use it in everyday conversation, you're in the right place. The phrase, saved by a whisker, refers to a situation where someone avoids danger or failure by a very small margin. Imagine being so close to a negative outcome that it's almost as thin as a whisker. It's used to express relief and sometimes amazement at the narrow escape from a potentially bad situation. The key here is the narrowness of the escape. It emphasizes how close one was to a different, usually worse, outcome. The origin of saved by a whisker is quite fascinating. While it's challenging to pinpoint the exact origin, it's widely believed that the phrase comes from the 19th century and relates to the idea that a whisker, being a very fine hair, represents the smallest possible margin. Some sources suggest it might have originated from sports or gambling, where outcomes could be determined by extremely slim differences. Understanding its origin helps appreciate how expressions evolve over time, often rooted in physical or visual metaphors. Let's put saved by a whisker into context with some examples. After avoiding a car accident, I was saved by a whisker when that truck swerved in front of me. My heart is still racing. In sports, the ball nearly crossed the goal line, but we were saved by a whisker. It's still 0-0. During exams, I thought I'd fail, but was saved by a whisker and passed with the minimum grade. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, applicable in various situations involving close calls. To use saved by a whisker effectively. 1. Context is key. It fits best in scenarios involving narrow escapes from trouble or failure. 2. Tone. It's often used in informal settings, perfect for storytelling or sharing personal experiences. 3. Emphasis on narrowness. Highlight the slim margin of escape to capture the essence of the phrase. Understanding these nuances will help you incorporate saved by a whisker into your English fluently and appropriately. And that wraps up our exploration of saved by a whisker. We hope this video has shed light on this fascinating phrase, enriching your English vocabulary and conversational skills. Remember, language learning is an adventure filled with discoveries just like this. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.